Singapore. Introduction. Singapore is one of the main global cities and one of the nerve centers of world trade, with the third largest financial center and the second port that moves the most goods. Its global and diverse economy depend especially on trade and the manufacturing sector in terms of purchasing power parity. Singapore is the third country with the highest per capita income in the world. In addition, the range among the first countries in the international list of education, health, political transparency, and economic competitiveness. Government and politics. Singapore's constitution is inspired by English parliamentarians, members of the single parliamentary chamber represent the various electoral districts. The President of the Republic is the head of state, who is elected by popular vote for 6-year term. Climate. Singapore has an equatorial climate which no distinguishes hable season, with uniform temperatures and pressure, high humidity, and abundant rainfall. Temperatures usually vary between 23 and 32 degrees Celsius. Economy. Singapore has a proper free market economy characterized by an open every moment. It has established fresh and one of the highest GDP per capita in the world. The economy depends mainly on export and the refinement of imports, particularly those of the electronic and industrial sector. Citizens. Singapore is a popular tourist destination, marking tourism of the largest economic sector in the country. Approximately 7.8 million tourists visit the country in 2010, and that number rose to 10.2 million in 2012. In 2019, that figure rose to about 15.1 million. Religion. The most practiced religion is Buddhism, for which be 42% of the population, mostly those of Chinese origin, practice in its their main aspect, Mahayana, Theravada, and Vajrayana. Culture. Singapore speak English as their more tongue than to lean towards Western culture and Christian culture, while those who speak Chinese as their mother token then to lean towards Chinese culture and Confucianism. Malay-speaking Singaporeans tend to lean towards Malay culture, which in turn is closely linked to Islamic culture. Thank you.